29 million tons of snow fall on New York in the greatest storm of its recorded history. The 15-hour precipitation catches the great city unawares and gradually puts the big town in a deep freeze. As the snow descends at the rate of 2 inches per hour, car travel becomes hazardous and pedestrians scurry for shelter. Thousands are marooned away from home as travel facilities halt and accidents multiply in the streets. With traffic nearly at a standstill at the height of the storm, most activity ceases, and then the metropolis becomes a silent city under a ghostly mantle. The heart of America's greatest city pauses in its beat, and Broadway becomes truly the Great White Way as the snowy pall continues relentlessly to pile crystal mountains along the streets. With transportation virtually paralyzed, stalled cars present an additional menace as owners are forced to abandon them after futile efforts to battle the white tide. It is estimated that more than 30,000 cars are left on the highways and side streets. Many battle to their homes on foot as night falls and the storm continues unabated. 56 persons perished in the disturbance which extended from northern Maine to Washington. But it is New York, with the 15 million in its metropolitan area, that bears the full brunt of the storm, and day reveals its complete havoc and paralysis. With trucks and railways motionless, the highways leading to the city completely blocked, not only are residents isolated in their homes by the breakdown of public transport, but delivery of fuel and food becomes a major crisis. Nearing 25 8/10 inches and still snowing. New York is staggered and for a time helpless, but not for long. The energetic process of pushing and digging out begins. From Times Square to the suburbs, a checkup shows the storm surpassed the historic blizzard of 1888 by 5 frosty inches. From now on, the word is dig. An army of 20,000